Hi, I'm Sean from Höganäs, the world's leading metal powder producer. Are you looking for an easy solution to meet your additive manufacturing needs? Well, I have a solution for you. Powderfinder, one word. You'll find the solution on the Höganäs website, www.höganäs.com. Let us say for an example you need to print an automotive component using a low alloy construction steel. Possibly you have a specific alloy you've already chosen, or you just want to see what options we have available for you. We'll go to www.höganäs.com and search for Powderfinder, one word. You'll immediately find the Powderfinder as your search option and click on the link. Here, you will find three ways of searching on the Powderfinder: powder type, process, or application. In this case, using our example, we're going to pick powder type, a low alloy construction steel. You immediately get your search options. Here, as one example, you might find the 4130. We have two forms available for you, and you don't know which one to choose from. So we will go to the next step, process. Here you'll find the laser powder bed fusion printer to fit your needs. And you immediately find AM4130 in this available version. By clicking on the down arrow, you'll immediately see the chemical composition and see more about the material available. If this is the one you'd like to go ahead with, then we're going to quickly be able to go to our next step. On the upper right hand corner, you'll see Get Quotation. By providing your name, your email address, and a short message, you'll get a response from your local sales rep promptly. With this tool, you have the ability to search our wide range of products, whether it be the nickel-based superalloys, the Haynes 282, the Amperprint 316L, or you simply want to browse our aerospace options. You can do so using these easy steps. Let's do a quick summary. Go to Höganäs.com, search for Powderfinder, one word, find the product that fits your needs, get a quotation. It's that easy. If you have any additional questions or inquiries, please feel free to contact us using the link at the bottom of your page, or you can find us on social media. That's it from me, and thank you for watching.